It's Cebu Pacific 29 pesos seat sale. Tara, i-check natin. From Manila to Hong Kong, there's a seat sale from July, August, September, October, and November. Konti na lang to, book nyo na. Osaka, Japan from Manila, meron pang July and August. Konti na lang din to. From Manila to Macau, July to November, sobrang dami pa. Manila to Kuala Lumpur, sobrang dami pa from July to November, book nyo na. From Manila to Singapore, meron pa from July to November, book nyo na. Manila to Taipei, August and October na lang. Manila to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, book nyo na to kasi sobrang bihira na to mag-sale. Manila to Chiang Mai, Thailand, there is seat sale sa September and October. Manila to Incheon, South Korea, meron pa sa September 3 and 15. Book nyo na. This is also available sa domestic flight from Manila to Boracay, marami. From July to November, book nyo na. I was able to book a flight na from Manila to Singapore for only 1,717 pesos. Sobrang sulit. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Book your next trip sa Cebu Pacific. For more travel content, follow for more. Bye!